No. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No. Stop it. No.
Quem rasgou a caminha? Fala pra mim. Quem rasgou a caminha? Senta. Senta. Quem rasgou a caminha, Meg? Quem rasgou a caminha, Meg? Você comeu toda a cama, Meg. Meg?
Quem é que roeu isto? Quem foi? Hã? Quem foi? Julie? Ai, 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 ai. Quem foi que roeu isto? Quem foi? Hã? Julie, quem é que roeu isto?
So Mommy had to run out in the middle of the night to the all-night pharmacy, and she left the pop-ups at home for 10 minutes, and look at what happened. Maji, did you go in the garbage? Who went in that garbage? Let me see. The laundry basket, the garbage. You are so naughty.
Excuse me? What are you doing? Hey, Amber. What's going on here?
What did you do? Why are you smiling? What did you do? What? Alex? Oh. Oh, I can't. I just cannot. Oh my God. Hi. Oh.
Hey! No!
Oh, oh. Yummy, yummy.
Mira la mamá, ¿qué está haciendo?
Hi. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Out. Out. Go on.
The jelly's falling. Come on, jellies.
Are you looking for the Joey's?
Come on, jellies. Come on, jellies. Come on, jellies.
5-star rating for this fluffy and self-heating foot rest.
Somebody figured out how to open the fridge door. Pizza is almost gone. I wonder who did it.
No, él es rebelde. Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
Hey, what did you do to your ears? Stop chewing. No, stop it. What is this? Oh my God.
Oh, what did you do? What did you do? Who was the naughty dog? Did you eat kale?
Who did that? Did you do that? Did you do that? Go to kennel. Hey, kennel.
who chewed this? Who did this? Braxton, look at this. Did you chew this up? Did you do this? Don't turn your head from. Did you do this, Braxton?
So my kid just got done eating, and I wanted to show you guys this $1,500 high chair vacuum I just purchased. Yeah, so you just put it right there on the edge, and it sucks it right up.
Fia! Que é isso, Honda? Que é isso, Honda? Honda!
Yep. Santa Claus is very upset with you.
Who did this? Who did this? You don't want it now? What happened? Who did it?
You're gonna look at me? Did you do it? Maybe.
Gnarly, did you do that? Did you do this right here? Who tore that Kleenex up? Casey?
You did this? You chewed the chopping board, Chloe. Did you do it?
Did you do this? Did you do this? Winston.
Ce-ai făcut tate aici? Ia uite, viața să liniștit.
Ce-ai făcut, mami?
Și uite ce găsești. De la scârbetele ăsta mic. Luna, what did you do? What is that? Huh? What is this? What did you do?
Did you open this? Did you open this?
Oh, Oakley. You've done it this time.
Wait a minute. Wait. Are you supposed to be up there? Are you supposed to be up here?
No!
Hey.
She drooled!
Hey.
Wait. Are you supposed to be up here? Oh my.
Don't make him come.
Come here.
Oh my goodness.
Come here. What did you do? What did you do?
Comeu a tampa do vaso. Quem que fez isso? Hein? Quem que fez?
Didn't give him a treat right before I left and told him he was a good boy. But now, he's just a... Right? You're a... aren't you? Aren't you?
Really? Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, that's a bad plan, isn't it? Yep, moving on.
Тёма, ты что там дерешь? Тёма! Капец, это ты так разодрал все?
I haven't even said anything. Oi, what's that? Nova? Look at me. Nova? What's that?
Murray, hey. Hey, I need to talk to you. He plays dead. He knows what I'm about to ask him.
Find my gate knocked over. And where are my dogs? Where are my dogs?
Hey, what's in your mouth? Wow, drop that. Bow. Oh my gosh, he has the whole chicken breast.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Mamas! Mila! Who did it?
Seriously? Hey, remember me? Luke? No.
That champ is going to protect them because they've been bad. You guys are so bad. Look at this. You want to see what they did? I walk in, first thing I see, poop. And then I say, oh, what are these chunks of it? Oh, okay. Now I see what it is.
What just happened in here? Hey! Who did this? Oh my god, Wolfie.
Who chewed this up? Who chewed this up? What happened to your eyes? Where are your eyes?
Are you guilty, Kelly?
Okay.
Did you chew it up?
Did you chew this up?
Daisy, was that Freddy? Freddy, did you rip up that napkin and eat the cookie that was inside? Did you eat the cookie?
What is this? What is this? Chance. Chance. Chance, what did you do? Is this you? Did you do this? Did you do this? That's naughty.
Boys? Winston? Was it you? Tucker? Was it you, Tucker?